Welcome back to Project Aviate. Today we're exploring one of the most powerful and iconic long-haul aircraft in the world, the Boeing 777-300ER. Known for its massive range, its incredible performance, and its dominance on some of the longest air routes on Earth, this aircraft has redefined how far airlines can fly with just two engines. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the 777-300ER became a global favorite and how it continues to impress both passengers and pilots. Let's begin with the sight that captures everyone's imagination, the Boeing 777-300ER soaring above the clouds during a golden sunset. This aircraft isn't just transportation, it's a moving masterpiece of engineering and design. At nearly 74 meters long, its sleek fuselage and enormous wingspan make it a striking figure against the sky. Watching it glide effortlessly at altitude instantly explains why it became such an icon of international travel. On the ground, its presence is just as commanding. Parked at a modern international terminal, the 777-300ER dwarfs the ground equipment around it. Crews swarm around, loading cargo, fueling, and preparing passengers for journeys that could last 12, 14, or even 16 hours. The scale of operations surrounding this aircraft shows just how vital it is to the global airline industry. Step inside the cockpit and you'll see why pilots admire this aircraft so much. The 777-300ER is equipped with an advanced glass cockpit, where modern avionics light up the displays with navigation, engine performance, and flight planning data. From the pilot's seat, it feels less like a cockpit and more like a control center designed for absolute precision and safety. Every dial, every switch, and every screen is carefully placed to handle the demands of flights that span continents and oceans. But the magic of the 777-300ER comes alive when those engines roar. Watching it accelerate down the runway is a spectacle in itself. The aircraft surges forward with unstoppable force, thanks to the legendary GE90-115B turbofans, the most powerful jet engines ever placed on a commercial airliner. Producing more than 115,000 pounds of thrust each, they are engineering marvels, able to lift this giant skyward with confidence and efficiency. A close-up of those engines shows their massive size and intricate design, with blades built to maximize performance while reducing fuel burn. And fuel efficiency is key, because this is what allows the 777-300ER to achieve its famous range. Imagine a world map with arcs stretching across oceans and continents. With a maximum range of over 7,300 nautical miles, the 777-300ER can connect major cities that once required stopovers. New York to Hong Kong, Los Angeles to Sydney, London to Buenos Aires, these are routes made possible by its endurance. That incredible reach changed the way airlines planned their networks, opening non-stop connections across the globe. Step inside the cabin, and you see another reason for its popularity. The interior is wide and spacious, comfortably seating more than 365 passengers in a typical three-class layout. Airlines configure it with luxurious first-class suites, lie-flat business seats, and roomy economy cabins. Large windows let in natural light, and clever design gives passengers a feeling of openness, even on flights lasting over 14 hours. For travelers, the 777-300ER represents a blend of comfort and capacity that makes long-haul flights not just bearable, but enjoyable. Now picture it at cruising altitude, 40,000 feet above the Earth. The view outside shows the curvature of the planet, with endless blue skies and layers of clouds below. From up here, the 777-300ER becomes a bridge between continents, connecting people, cultures, and economies across vast distances. Few sights capture the spirit of modern aviation better than this aircraft cruising gracefully across the horizon. When compared to other aircraft, the 777-300ER's dominance becomes clear. Set it side by side with an Airbus A330, for example, and the difference is obvious. The 777-300ER is longer, carries more passengers, and has far greater range and thrust. For airlines, that means more flexibility and more profit per route. For passengers, it means more options for direct flights that skip layovers and get them to their destinations faster. But the 777-300ER is more than just a high-flying cruiser, it's also engineered for safety and reliability during landing, one of the most critical phases of any flight. Imagine a nighttime approach, runway lights glowing in the distance as the aircraft descends through rain and clouds.
With precision, it touches down, its landing gear absorbing the immense weight of the aircraft.
Reverse thrust roars as it slows, delivering passengers safely after thousands of miles in the sky. Every piece of the 777-300ER is built for efficiency. Imagine a cutaway diagram showing its fuel tanks, aerodynamic wing design, and structural optimizations.
Boeing fine-tuned every detail, ensuring that despite its size, the aircraft could operate efficiently across some of the longest routes in aviation.
The result is an aircraft that combines raw performance with economical operation, a rare balance that airlines rely on heavily. Another unforgettable sight is the 777-300ER crossing the ocean, leaving contrails streaking behind as it carves a line across the sky.
Against the backdrop of endless blue, the aircraft represents human ambition, pushing the boundaries of how far and how efficiently we can travel.
Its wings flex gently in turbulence, a reminder of the dynamic forces it was built to endure. Up close, the details of its landing gear and underbelly reveal the complexity of its engineering.
Each component, from the massive tires to the intricate hydraulics,
is designed to withstand the repeated stresses of heavy takeoffs and landings.
Watching the gear deploy smoothly on approach shows just how much precision goes into every aspect of this machine.
At major hubs like Dubai, Singapore, or London, you can often see entire rows of 777-300ERs parked side by side, preparing for departures to all corners of the globe. This fleet view is a testament to its widespread use and reliability. Airlines trust the 777-300ER not just as a plane, but as the backbone of their long-haul operations. It is a workhorse that delivers consistently, day after day, across thousands of routes. And then there's the iconic closing image, a 777-300ER flying into the sunset, its fuselage glowing golden in the light. It's not just a plane in the sky, it's a symbol of global connection, carrying families, businesses, and dreams from one continent to another. Every takeoff, every landing, every non-stop journey it completes is part of a much larger story about how aviation connects our world.
The Boeing 777-300ER is more than just one of the most successful wide-body aircraft ever built, it's a legend of modern aviation.
With its unmatched engines, its incredible range, and its spacious design, it has become the standard for long-haul travel. As newer aircraft like the 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350 take to the skies, the 777-300ER still holds its place as one of the greatest achievements in commercial aviation. Thank you for joining us here at Project Aviate as we explored the Boeing 777-300ER, its massive range, and its outstanding performance. If you enjoyed this journey through aviation, be sure to like the video, subscribe to Project Aviate, and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to take flight with us. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies, you never know when you'll see this incredible machine soaring above.